Hey, what's up everybody? Happy Valentine's Day. Today what we are going to do is unbox this Kit Kat, Reese's, and Hershey's chocolate miniatures assortment. I got this as a nice little gift. And, you know, there are some questions. I never had one of these boxes before. And I don't know if these are just going to come individually wrapped, or they're going to be like in little wax paper whatever things, like a Whitman sampler or whatever. So this is going to be a nice adventure. So here we go. That's pretty underwhelming. Look at that. That's kind of sad. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Eight Reese's miniature cups. Six individually wrapped 1-bar Kit Kats. And then it looks like here 6 Hershey bars, miniature milk chocolate bars here. Your standard. There you go. There you go, ladies and gentlemen, just in case you were wondering how this is all organized within this box here. Very romantic, I must say. Anyways, happy Valentine's Day, however you want to celebrate it. If you want to go very nice and delicate, like so. Oh my god, guys. Hi, I'm an influencer. ASMR. Can you hear that? ASMR style. Yeah, and then we got some Kit Kats, and I'm gonna talk like this. And then it's very stressful being an influencer and being